The Common Market for Eastern and Southern Africa, Comesa, is a regional economic organization established in 1994 to promote economic integration among its member states through the development of trade and investment. Comesa consists of 21 countries in Eastern, Central, and Southern Africa. Its headquarters is based in Lusaka, Zambia. The organization was created to improve the standard of living for the people of the region by fostering economic growth, development, and unity. Comesa replaced the earlier Preferential Trade Area (PTA) that had been in operation since 1981. The main objectives of Comesa include the following. 1. To encourage member states to reduce duties charged on goods entering their countries from other Comesa member states. This objective aims to eliminate or significantly reduce import tariffs among member states. Lower duties make goods more affordable, boost intra-regional trade, and encourage economic cooperation. 2. To promote trade among member states. By establishing common trade regulations and removing trade barriers, Comesa encourages the flow of goods and services between countries in the region. This fosters economic integration and enhances self-sufficiency. 3. To acquire greater economic strength and higher bargaining power with other trading blocs of the world. Comesa seeks to unify the economies of its member states to form a strong bloc that can negotiate better trade deals globally. A collective voice gives member countries an advantage when dealing with powerful economic unions such as the European Union or the United States. 4. To create political cooperation among member states. Comesa not only focuses on economic growth but also promotes political stability, peace, and unity. Through collaboration, member countries work together to solve conflicts, maintain peace, and support regional development. 5. To establish a larger market for goods produced in the region. The creation of a single large market allows goods produced in one member state to find ready consumers in other member states. This reduces reliance on external markets and stimulates local industries and businesses. 6. To remove trade barriers among member states and create similar trade laws. Comesa works to standardize trade policies, rules, and regulations to facilitate smooth trade. The removal of tariffs, quotas, and licensing barriers enables the free movement of goods and services across borders. 7. To create specialization in order to improve the quality of goods. Member countries are encouraged to focus on the production of goods and services they can produce most efficiently. This promotes quality, increases productivity, and avoids duplication of industries among countries. 8. To create monetary and financial cooperation among member states. Comesa encourages member states to harmonize their monetary policies, banking systems, and financial institutions. This helps in stabilizing currencies, promoting investment, and easing cross-border financial transactions. 9. To improve transport and communication systems. A key objective is to develop and modernize transport and communication infrastructure to ensure efficient movement of goods, people, and information across the region. 10. To promote industrial development. Comesa supports the growth of industries through cooperation in research, joint ventures, and provision of incentives. This enhances industrial productivity and competitiveness within the region.